So the first video covered triangles and their parts. This video is going to be more focused on the angles of triangles. Okay, so let's take a look at a picture of a triangle. Okay, triangles have interior and exterior angles. Okay, so if we think of this triangle, this is the interior of the triangle. So then the interior angles have to be the three angles on the inside. So if I use red here, 1, 2, I use numbers. This is angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are interior angles. They are interior angles. Now, if I take this same picture, okay, and I do something, and I extend the sides of the triangle. So watch what I do. I'll extend this side down. So I'm extending it down. I'll extend this side to the right. I'll extend this side up. So that each angle has, or I'm sorry, each side gets extended. So it creates like this pinwheel effect. I'm going to add 4 more angles. 4, 5, and 6. These angles are in the exterior. Okay, they're on the outside. So the outside is called the exterior. So in this picture, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6 are exterior angles. Exterior angles. Okay. So we have interior angles, 3 interior. We have 3 exterior angles. So we're going to learn 2 theorems involving this picture. Okay, so I might have to scroll down, but it's okay. First is called the Triangle Sum Theorem. This is very important. Triangle Sum Theorem. Triangle Sum Theorem says the sum of the 3 angles, 3 interior angles of the sum of the 3 interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So from the picture above, let me get back to my red. The measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3 equals 180 degrees. Okay, we're going to prove that in class. Next, let's talk about the exterior angles. Okay, the exterior angle theorem. The exterior angle theorem says the sum, I'm sorry, never mind, not the sum. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the 2 non-adjacent interior angles. The sum of the measures of the 2 non-adjacent interior angles. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the 2 non-adjacent interior angles. So let me draw the picture down here just to show you again. Okay. So here's 1, 2, and 3, and let's go ahead and let's extend this side and call this angle 4. Angle 4 is the exterior angle. The measure of angle 4 equals the sum of the 2 non-adjacent interior angles. angle 3 is adjacent with angle 4. So the two non-adjacent are angle 1 and angle 2. So that's exactly what the X-triangle sum theorem says. Okay. So I'd like to do two problems based off of these two ideas. Okay, the triangle sum theorem and the X-triangle sum theorem. And that'll be this video. Okay, so example 1. Well, I guess, yeah, example, find X. Okay, find X. And let's take this picture right here. Let's say we have a triangle. And then we're going to extend this side. Okay, and we have X degrees there. We have 72 degrees here. And this is 2x minus 11 degrees. So we need to find X. To do this, we need to use the exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem, which says the sum of the measure of the exterior angle is the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles. 2x minus 11 equals the sum of x plus 72. That's what the theorem says. The exterior angle equals the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles. And now we solve this. Subtract x on both sides. This becomes x minus 11 equals 72. And we add 11 to both sides. X equals 83. And there's the value of X. If we plug it in, this would be an 83-degree angle. This would be 2 times 83 minus 11, which would be 155. And 72 and 83 is 155. So it makes sense. It makes sense. All right. Second example. Okay, so example 2 is going to be find the measures of the interior angles. So example, find each angle measure. Okay, so we're going to say the following. The problem would say the following. Okay, the measure of angle A. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write it down and then you copy it after. Okay. So here's what the problem says. So hopefully you pause it, write it down. Maybe you have to let me listen to it first, or tell you first. The measure of angle A is twice the measure of angle B. The measure of angle C is 10 less than the measure of angle B. We need to find all three measures, angle A, B, and C. And these are all interior angles. So they're interior angles of a triangle. Interior angles of a triangle. All right. Okay. So to do this problem, let's draw a picture. A, B, and C. Notice that B is used twice. Let's let the measure of angle B be X. Okay? So the measure of angle B equals X. So then, what is the measure of angle A? It's twice the measure of angle B. That means angle A is 2x. Right? If B is x, if angle B is x, twice angle B is 2x. And then angle C is 10 less than the measure of angle B. Well, 10 less than the measure of angle B, that's 10 less is one of those backwards subtractions. X minus 10. 10 less. So there's the measure of angle C. Equals x minus 10. And now we apply the triangle sum theorem. Triangle sum theorem. Okay? We apply this guy to the equation below, where we add the three angles together at equal 180. So x plus 2x plus x minus 10 equals 180. Right? That's the triangle sum theorem. So we combine our like terms. X plus 2x plus x is 4x minus 10 equals 180. Add 10 to both sides. I don't know why I'm going sideways. for x equals 190, and we divide by 4. Okay? When you divide by 4, you get x equals 47.5. So, what does that mean to our picture? Well, we just plug them in, alright? You can do it up here even. So, the measure of angle B is x, 47.5 degrees. The measure of angle A is 2 times x. 2 times 47.5 is 95 degrees. And the measure of angle C is 10 less than x, 37.5 degrees. And if you add all those up, you should get that the sum is 180. And you do, and you're done. Okay, so that's it for Section 1. Section 2 video coming.